So I recently picked up a Guitalele from Yamaha, the GL1. Super popular, great Guitalele, not so great gig bag that it comes with. I don't like that it doesn't have an accessories compartment and it doesn't even have a shoulder strap. Not to mention it opens from the bottom really awkwardly like this. So I was immediately in the market looking for a better gig bag. The dimensions we're working with here are a total of 27 inches in length, about 3.5 inches in depth. The widest bout is 9 inches, and then the next bout is about 7 inches. Because this isn't a super popular instrument, it's not like a ukulele, there are very limited gig bag and case options, so I had to either pick a baritone or bass ukulele size gig bag or a tenor gig bag. And looking around, the pricing is sometimes even more expensive than a full guitar case. So in this video, I'll be showing you which ones I ended up choosing and which one I ended up keeping. So all these gig bags shown here are sub $30, at least as of when I bought it. As usual, I have all the product links in the description so you can see their latest pricing. The one directly to the right is the one that came with the Guitalele, and then the farthest one to the right is the baritone / bass ukulele case, and then I have two tenor size ukulele cases on the left for comparison. But as a baseline, let's take a look at the one that comes with the GL1. It fits it perfectly in terms of the length. It is slightly padded, and the exterior material I think is nylon, so it's slightly water resistant as well. Overall, very lightweight, flexible gig bag that is decent enough. I do like the little handle here. It's not too crazy going on. It does have some nice metal rings, and it is buttoned down versus just simply sewn into the case, which I can appreciate, allowing for pretty good weight distribution once the Guitalele is inside. It has a single zipper on the bottom in which you have to insert and remove the Guitalele. Not a huge fan of that design, but at least the interior does have this very soft fabric so that it won't scratch up your Guitalele. But the first bag I picked up, one did say that it was compatible with Guitaleles. This is also meant for 32-inch bass ukuleles or 30-inch baritone ukuleles, and it even comes with this little humidifier. So here is the bag itself. It had pretty much all the features I was looking for. Good, nice, strong material. It's canvas, though it seems like it's a little bit water resistant even. And it has a really nice, spacious accessories compartment. A lot of ways to carry it, including the side strap. It has an additional vertical handle here, in addition to padded shoulder straps that are adjustable. And even this additional plastic hard material to prevent damage to the bottom of the gig bag if you were to place it on a rough surface. Nice soft inner lining with sufficient 12mm padding. The only problem with this case, unfortunately, is that it is way too long. There's a good maybe 3 inches of headroom, as you can see with the Guitalele when it's fully in. So that was the main reason why I continued my search to pick up these next two tenor size ukulele gig bags. This one is by Divisor. They have other sizes. This one again is the tenor size, meant for 26 to 27 inch instruments. At least that's what is said on the listing. So theoretically it should have been compatible with this Guitalele, which is 27 inches in length. But unfortunately it wasn't. You can see that the width was maybe just okay, but there was no way I could fit the headstock in. So despite the listing saying it's compatible with 27-inch ukuleles, this is definitely still not compatible. So then, will this final tenor case make a difference from ChromaCast? This is the CCTN bag. And drum roll. And it does, just barely. You can see there's that bend from the headstock just cramming it in. But hey, I'll take it. It's a pretty nice gig bag overall, so I will be keeping this one, and I'll be doing my full review once I've had my chance to put it through its paces, of course. A lot of things going for it, including 2 accessories compartments in addition to a very nice shoulder strap situation going on here. So this is definitely the one to get if you have a Guitalele. Make sure you subscribe to my channel to see my full review of this case after a few months, and also my full review of the Yamaha GL1 Guitalele.